Let's see what pack we're ripping. And the suspense, right? Oh, Phantasmal Flames. Will we pull the Zard? Let's find out. And for Phantasmal, I'll have to open this blister pack and get one of the booster packs out of it. Okay, here we go. By the way, Happy New Year, everyone. Going for that Charizard. Does anyone play this? Let me know. I have a ton of these codes. Okay, here we go. Oh, Charmander, that's a good sign. Sable Eye. Jumbo Ice Cream, that's also a good sign. Okay, Seal Reverse. And Vileplume. Okay, not it.